Hello mga tabs. Our midnight snack. Ito yung saging saba with milk, adult milk, birch tree, and San Marino. Hahay. Meron tayong shipment na naman. Ayan. So, damagan to. Magdamagang buhay. Okay na to. For tonight videos, ipapakita ko lang yung saba, boss milk, birch tree, adult milk with San Marino, manghang, spicy. Okay, malapit na to. Malapit akong mag-umpisa. By the way, mga katabs, maraming salamat. God bless you all. Bye-bye.